Hi, I'm Peter Vachon, Senior Product Manager. We're here today at Lanco Integrated World Headquarters in Westbrook, Maine. Today, Mayor Foley and his team from the Economic Development Department paid us a visit. We started our tour today with a display of products made on Lanco assembly machines, ranging from automotive parts to consumer products, things that you use in your life every day that have been built on Lanco machines for over 30 years. We continued our tour in the engineering department where we saw engineers at work on CAD workstations designing machines in 3D, as well as visiting the controls design department where we saw engineers hard at work designing the brains that run our machines. We continued our tour out onto the manufacturing floor where we saw CNC machining centers making parts for Lanco machines, everything from small plates to complex machine parts. From there, our tour took us to the assembly floor where we saw the frames and modules that make up the basis of our machines were being put together by assembly technicians, and continued on to seeing a full, complete assembly machine as it's being built and debugged. They got a great overview of everything we do here at Lanco, from conceptual design all the way to shipping a finished machine to our customers around the world.
This is incredible. Yeah. I think it's one of those things that not everyone knows what's going on in our community, that stuff is coming out of here that's being used all over the world and
Absolutely.
helping solve big problems, and it's definitely cool. I always knew it existed, but it's my first time in here, so it's great to be in here.
Awesome. Well, we're glad to have you.
Yeah, thank you for having us, and keep up the great work.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
We offer tours to schools and other organizations all the time. We've had many groups come through here and see our engineers at work. As a kid, I would have loved to visit a place like Lanco Integrated and to see all the fun toys the engineers get to play with here. Robotics, machine vision, and other advanced technology. All the things we hope will inspire the next generation of engineers and technicians here at Lanco Integrated in Westbrook. We hope to see you here soon.